Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be playing Overwatch. So, in the last episode I played, in the episode before the last episode I played, and so that means, I don't know, what does it mean? It's a good question. That means we're gonna do it again. Okay, let's get here and let's do tank this time, just to show you guys. First time playing tank with you guys. So this is one of the tanks, and he's basically like a hamster ball. He can come out of his thing and pew 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 pew. Like that, and he can grapple onto things, swing, and then ground pound. And he can also like get extra shield in case he's about to die. Ah! Oh, now we're. I don't like this. You're the invisible person. Oh, dang it! So mean. I'm out of here. Run away. Oh, wait. Oh, I thought they left. Ah! Spin in circles and shoot. My goodness, they really know how to play. Well, boom! Ah! I got out of there.
Now entering queues and prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
So, let's see. I guess we could still go with hamster, or we could go with monkey. I'm going with monkey. He's one of my favorite tanks, so might as well. So that's our healer. We're waiting on a healer. That's our damage, and that's our damage. Okay, they're going that way. I'm going this way. So in this game, we are trying to defend the payload. But first they have to capture this point, and then the payload comes out of here, and they'll have to move it to the end. So it's like an extra thing to stop the payload. You have to also stop them from getting this. Well, you don't have to, but if you don't want them to get to the payload part, then you have to stop it. Oh, they have a monkey too. I just saw him. Let's go back route. Go back route. Ah! Dang it! You can see I tried to jump away right as I died. I like died in midair. Oh, on their screen I was just flat. Dead on the ground. It's been different. I died a different way on my screen. Never thought that was possible. Okay, they got the point. Now we can push. Oh my goodness, I'm just getting destroyed. gosh. He used his super duper. Ah! Run away! You can't beat it. He's an angry monkey. Get him! I'm not here. And yet I thought they wouldn't notice me. Me hiding in my little corner. I don't think we're gonna win this game considering how they got the points so quick. We're holding up pretty well against right here. Hello. Okay, watch this. Monkey mode! Angry monkey mode!
No one can hide from my sight.
Okay, there went our ashes. Oh no, they're ashes ultimate. Great, I'm out of here. I did it. 98 health. Someone help me. Oh, I gotta run more. Run away. Run away. They're coming. Get this, okay. I'm healthy. I'm a monkey and I'm dancing. Oh, that's annoying. Ah! Run away! It's an angry monkey. There's their Moira's ultimate. Honestly, I really don't have much key of what's happening. I'm just shooting people and things are happening. They are taking damage. I am taking damage. Are we winning or are we not? I think we're losing. I can't tell. No! Come back here. I'm chasing the monkey. Oh no, I'm gonna get frozen as a giant monkey. No! Shield. Am I doing good? I feel like I just cleared their whole team. Die again. Oh no! Ah! Keep attacking. We can do this even though he's angry. Ah! Get him! I'm dead. Run away! I need healing. Someone heal me. No. I couldn't make it out of there in time. Oh man. No, they're gonna get the place. No. Charge, push, go. Oh no, I've been put to sleep. Oh, I'm awake. Oh, it's Angry Monkey versus Angry Monkey. Oh. No. I had too many team members. It was just me. I did so good. I think. I don't even know if I did good or not. Was that good? Do you guys know? Did I do good? Because I doubt. Okay, let's go for the foot. Ah! Run away. Thank you. I thought I could get him.
Defeat.
No! Man. I thought I had it. We had it. This guy got player of the game from their Raging Monkey versus my Raging Monkey. They killed me because I had no team members other than one guy. Okay, well, that is going to be the end of today's video. And as I always like to do my outro, bye.